Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a cinematic night footage by using the color grading in Capcut. So first, just add your night footage to Capcut, and first go to filter, and here click on the night scene and add the orange blue filter around 80. Okay, like this. Now go to adjust, increase the brightness to around 11, then the contrast 17, and lower the saturation to around -10 and the exposure -50. Now click on the grabs and follow my settings. Okay, now for the red color, use this curve. Okay, like this. Now on the green color, okay, that set it like this. Now on the blue color, the last one, set it like this. Now you can just go back and click on the highlight, lower it to -50, then click on a check icon and add another filter. So add this cold ivory filter. Okay, click on a check icon and you are done. So this will be the result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe, click on thanks, like, and comment if you have any questions. Bye.